How to reset service light. In this article, we will guide you on how to reset a service light for vehicles with a manual process for this operation. So you have completed your car service maintenance, but your service indicator light is still on. How do you reset it? Step 1, turn the ignition off. Step 2, press the trip button until the spanner/rank light is displayed. Step 3, while the spanner light is displayed, press and hold the trip button until the spanner light is flashing. Step 4, while the spanner light is flashing, release the trip button and press again and it will display clear. Step 5, while clear display, press again the trip button one more time. Step 6, wait a second until the new interval is displayed. Step 7, start the engine to verify the service reminder has been reset.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me,